Hey, what's up guys? It's inca4x4 and thanks again for tuning in. This video is going to be about the Inca 4x4 bag, everything about it, how to install it. You can purchase it on my website, www.inca4x4.com. $10 if you purchase from there goes to Veterans Go Outdoors, non-profit. And yeah, this is a really good bag. I use it all the time. 16-ounce wax canvas. The nice feature is you can remove the bag from the tire or your tailgate to easily like dump out the trash or whatever. So let's get into it. I will link the video that if you like and subscribe, if you comment and subscribe, I have a contest right now. I'm building up my YouTube channel. So if you subscribe and leave a comment on that video, you can enter a chance to win one. So these are $120 on my website. I'm gonna just mount this so you can see it really well. So I can go over it. It has these like molly straps all the way across, so you can tie stuff to it. It's got the buckles, pouches on the front and on the two sides, and then it's got a strap here that you can tighten it. So the material is a 16-ounce wax canvas, so it's really sturdy. I like to use weatherproofing stuff and just spray my bag every now and then just to keep up with it. It comes like this. It comes with the straps. The straps you can see are, you can put them on a tailgate or you could put them on a tire. This is a 35-inch tire, but it'll go up to a 40-inch tire. And I'm gonna take this off to show you how easy it is. So because some of the trash bags that you use, the strap is attached to the bag, so when you want to go dump this out, it's a hassle because you have to undo the whole straps. This one's nice because the straps are on there and you don't have to take the whole strap apart. And so yeah, this one here I've been using for a long time. I probably got like 2 years on it. It's, I keep patches people give me, all that stuff. And let's get into how you're pretty much gonna buckle this up. So the way you're gonna do this is very simple. So you're gonna need a tire that is, like some of those Rhino wheels don't have pass-through, so the tire needs to have like a pass-through. So you'll pass it through there with the buckle part facing away from the tire, and then you'll pick a spot. And I like to get the buckle flush against the tire here, so then I tighten it as I get it as taut as I can. I clip that there, and then this just hangs over. And the same thing with my other one. I'll get it tightened there like that. These are just extra carabines. These are included, 4 of them, these carabines. And then once the strap is there, then this hangs over. And these are not included, the key rings. I just put key rings because it just makes it easier to clip on and off. So I'll just show you how I clip this. So you'll take the carabine. These are not the ones that came included. These are just ones I had. They're like double-sided, but you can get any kind of carabine. You can adjust it to the height, further down, further up. The one thing I will recommend is if you have wood, heavy wood, or anything heavy, you definitely want to mount it at 2 points. Yeah, you want to mount it at 2 points. And I'll just show you. So here, all you do is pretty much there, and you're good to go. So it's super quick. It's accessible. The inside's lined. Yeah, it just makes it super easy. Let me show you on the truck bed how it's mounted there. So the same kind of setup here. I loved it on a truck bed because what I would do is have my trash bag here, and then I would just throw my trash as I'm cooking down there. So basically with this, you're just gonna pass it through your tailgate, and you wanna strap it, have it the buckle facing the inside of your truck bed, because if it's facing the other way, when this pulls up, it's gonna undo it. So have it facing the inside. Have it flush like here. Don't have it up here against here. And then just give it some tension, clip it, and then you'll do that for both sides. And then all you do is take your trash bag, and these red carabines are the ones that come with it. And like I said, I like to put key rings there, and the key rings just make it easy to clip on. So when I'm at camp like this, I can easily throw my trash in there, or reach stuff. Maybe I sometimes keep those green Coleman cans on the side, or like a lighter or something, so I can easily reach that. And when you close this, I'll show you. When you close this, that's pretty much how it does. So it's you know, you can keep all your trash on the outside. You can mount different tools that you have to the outside. Like I said, if you're gonna put something heavy in here, definitely strap it at 2 points. But yeah, this is a bag. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We have a contest going on for it. It's a video I have out there. It'll say 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and all you got to do is just subscribe, leave a comment, and then you're entered to win. And then when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll give away a bag. I'll announce the winner, and it'll be on my I'll pick a person that commented on that video. So that's all you got to do. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure to share the video, like. I appreciate people tagging me when they're out on trails and cleaning up. Shout out to Red Wolf Trash Pickup. I'll link his Instagram. Really cool dude. I met him in person. He's been out picking up trash. So I appreciate that. And yeah, check out the rooftop tents I have for sale. I have 2 models right now. We have them on pre-order. They should be here mid-April. And yeah, 2 models, a bifold hard shell with the annex room included. And then we also have the wedge with the rack on top, the aluminum wedge style one. So 2 different models, check them out. And like always, hope to see you on the trail. Thanks again for watching.